Now that we have the dashboard, the next thing what we need is this employees list. So we're going to create this employees list page, and then we're going to link the navbar and the employees list together. So let's get back to our code. And what we're going to do is we're just going to save this file as employees list. Save that. And we'll get rid of this card. So I'm going to select all of these things and I get rid of that. We just need the navigation bar. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we'll create a comment, and then we'll call this as employees data. Okay, and inside this, when I say div.container, and inside that we're going to say div.row, and then I'm going to call this as justify content center. Okay, so we'll create the sidebar for this one. So div.call md2, and then we want another one that is div.call md8. So right now let's save this, and what we're going to do is we're going to link this employees list to all our pages. So first let's get to our dash, and if I scroll up, you can see that we have this navigation bar, and the first thing which you will see here is employees. So here I'm going to set that to employees list, save that, and if I scroll down, we created a card here, and we're going to set that to that one too. So that's going to be employees list. Let's save that. Okay, and the same thing we have to do it in the employees list. We have the navigation bar here, and what we're going to do is going to change this thing to employees list, and we don't have anything else. So the next thing what you have to do is just add the sidebar and the content over here.